Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Python tutorial from my YouTube channel. So in previous videos we learned about error handling, exception handling, how to use try block, how to use catch block or except block that catches the exception or errors. So by learning those we won't be in trouble because of error that much. Now in today's video I just want to introduce you to another content of um, exception handling in Python language, which is finally block or finally clause, which I said before also. It is also sometimes used in exception handling. So the concept is this, that sometimes we have to clean up something, and sometimes we want our code to be executed irrespective of error occurred or not. So let's suppose if I have or if I write down example try, for example I'll say L equals to I'll make a list 1 3 5 7 2. Okay, this much is enough, and I'll declare a variable I that says int. We will have a user input portion also. In that we will say that enter the index and that we will use print L, and inside L the index that is I, we will say that print this one. Okay, this is this. Okay, the except clause is also used if we have any error, for example any kind of error. We will just use this some error occurred. Okay. Now after this we will use a finally block. Finally, which is executed irrespective of try and except block. Whether there is any error or there is not any error, it will be executed. So we will have a print statement for this also. I am always executed. Okay. Now we will run this program, and okay, here it says that enter the index number. We have 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, we have 5 indexes here. Okay, first I'll write down without any error, so I'll say index 3. What will it will print? Okay, in index 3 we have 7. 1 0 1 2 3. This index 3 we have 7. It has executed successfully without any error, and when there is no error also, the finally block, the statement that is in finally block, it is executed also. Now let's just try this once again and create an error here. Okay, for example we have 5 indexes here. I'll ask this to to print me the index 7. We don't have any index 7 here because we have already the list, you can see that there's 5 indexes, 0 to 4. Okay, now the exception, now the error is handled. Some error occurred because there is 7. 7 is there is no 7th index in our list, so due to that the error occurs, and the error is handled through except clause. And when it is handled, the statement that is written in except clause, that will be printed. And now here we have error also, but this finally blocks statement is executed. So from this we can get that the finally block is always and always executed or printed. If we write down, actually if we write, always it will be executed whether there is error or there is not error. So this was very short information and short video about finally block. In next video I will say that why do we actually use this finally in our exception handling, though we can use simply we can write down print statement here also. Okay, if we don't write also, here I'll say fifth, also it is printed. Now in the next video I'll be telling you that why do we use finally block. Okay, so till that time, Allah Hafiz.